Hey friends, Tara Martin here, author of Cannonball In and also Be Real, Educate from the Heart. I am so excited to share this project with you. Cannonball In is based on a true story about my dad, bless his precious little heart, teaching me to swim and then later teaching me to jump all in the deep end of the pool. And I love this memory. It's one of my most favorite memories of my dad teaching me a valuable lesson that I have carried with me through life, even to this day. I hope that you will enjoy this book, that you too will learn what it's like to ignore the criticism of the dabblers and to push fear and doubt aside and chase your dreams and go out there and cannonball in on this new idea or this thing that you've been wanting to try and you just are so nervous about, will it be good enough or what will other people think? Cannonball In is the book for you. You should read it, and then after you read it, I hope that you feel empowered to go out and do that thing. The world needs more cannonballs. It really does. It needs you to run and make the biggest splash possible. Just run and jump and try out that new thing, because maybe it's messy, but you know how to swim, right? And whatever it is that you do, if you're a teacher, you know how to teach. If you're a student, you know how to learn. Whatever it is that you do, you know how to do that. So get out of your comfort zone. Try it. You've got this. You never know the impact of your splash. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful for DVC Inc., Dave and Shelley, for taking a chance on me. And I absolutely love the illustrations in this book. Genesis did such a fantastic job of making my words come alive through images. And I just cannot wait to share it with all of you and to hear what you have to say about it. So Cannonball In. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Keep me posted. Please do tag me at Tara Martin EDU on Twitter. Follow me on my website, tarammartin.com, or follow me on Instagram at tarammartin.real.